From Canva to Cash, where AI design turns free templates into fast paydays. You will never regret watching it to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. 1. Canva is a design playground. It's full of drag and drop, stuff like pictures, fonts, and stickers to make things look amazing. 2. AI helps make designs faster. Canva's magic design tool gives you smart, beautiful ideas with just a few clicks. 3. Sell templates. You can make planners, resumes, or Instagram posts and sell them to others. 4. No design skill needed. It's so simple. Even a kindergartner could use it to make cool stuff. 5. Perfect for Etsy and Gumroad. Sell your Canva made designs as digital products people can download it. 6. People love pretty things. Businesses, influencers, and teachers all want designs that look good. Canva gives you that. 7. Works great with Midjourney. Use AI art from Midjourney and turn it into posters or books in Canva. 8. Awesome for personal brands. Create logos, banners, and story covers to grow your own brand fast. 9. Can be used on phones. You can design and sell things, even if you only have a smartphone. 10. Use for clients too. Businesses will pay you to design stuff, and Canva makes it easy to deliver. Steal time back when Notion becomes your money-making brain in 2025. 1. Notion keeps everything in one place, like a super notebook that holds your ideas, goals, projects, and money stuff. 2. You can use AI inside. Notion AI helps you write, plan, and brainstorm faster than ever. 3. Sell Notion templates. Make to-do lists, planners, or budget tools and sell them online. 4. Track your business or side hustle. Know what to do, when to do it, and how much you're making. 5. Organize your content. Keep all your video scripts, blog ideas, and product plans tidy in one space. 6. Teamwork made easy. Share with friends, VAS, or partners. Everyone works from the same page. 7. Looks clean and simple. It's not messy like a million folders. Notion is neat and easy on the eyes. 8. Automates your life. You can connect it with other apps to track habits, sales, or goals automatically. 9. Build your second brain. It remembers what you forget, so you stay focused and sharp. 10. Everyone needs it, from students to CEOs. Notion is a tool everyone pays for, so why not sell your setups?